Hello team, welcome back. And today we will see how we can roll back the application using Helm. So till date we have seen a lot of things about the Helm execution, and let's see the rollback today. So let me clear out the console and I will execute the Helm list command. We are executing my MariaDB on revision 3. If we will go to the secrets, then we have the secrets available for all the revision 1, revision 2 and revision 3. But these secrets are not providing me the correct information about the revision, that what are the change I have done in the revision 2, what are the change I have done in the revision 3. So if you want to see the history of your revision, you can execute a simple command helm history and define your deployment name. In my case this is mariadb hyphen and the namespace is database. Hit enter and we are getting the revision history. This is the first revision deployed at this particular time frame, deployed with MariaDB 10.3.4. App version was this and installation complete. This is the second revision deployed at this particular time frame, deployed with the MariaDB version this, chart version was this, and this was a upgrade. Deployed the revision number 3, deployed at this particular time frame. This is the currently deployed version and which is on the MariaDB version 11.3.5. Earlier was 11.3.4 and this is upgrade. You know very well that once we executed the get value command, let me execute it again. So we are executing the get values of my MariaDB deployment for the revision 1 and we was using the password test 12345. This is the password for the custom user, and if I will get the value for the revision number 3, which is the current deployment, then I'm getting the password test password 5321. It means the custom user password was different in the revision 1 and that was different in the revision number 3. Right, let's do one thing. Let's get the release notes of the revision 3. So we have seen the things that what was the values in the revision 3 and what is the value in the revision 1. Let's do one thing. Let's roll back your deployment to the revision 1. So we will execute a command helm rollback, define your deployment name and just define the revision number. I want to roll back my deployment to the revision number 1. Hit enter. Okay, we need to specify the namespace as well. Hit enter and see it is saying rollback was succeed, happy helming. If you will execute the helm list command now, see we are getting the revision number 4. If you will execute the helm history, we are getting the history that 4 is deployed and 3 is upgraded, and in the description we are getting rollback to 1. Now let's get the value of the revision number 4. So helm get values, and instead of the 3 let's get the values for the revision number 4. This time we should get the password test 1234, and yes we are getting the password which we was getting in the revision number 1. If we will execute the same thing for revision number 3, we are getting that test 54321, which was the password of the revision number 3. Also we are getting that the MariaDB version is 11.3.4 in the current release and earlier it was 11.3.5. So using this way, you can simply roll back your deployment. Clear out the console. In the earlier lecture, I will tell you that if you will uninstall your machine, you will uninstall your deployment, then it will uninstall the deployment plus it will delete all the secrets as well, right? Which contain the revision history. But if you will keep a command hyphen hyphen keep history, then it will leave the secrets and only delete your deployment or uninstall your deployment. Let's do this. Helm uninstall. This is the command we need to execute. Helm uninstall your namespace, then your deployment name, and this time we will execute with hyphen hyphen keep history. Earlier we did a mistake and we removed the deployment without this command keep history and all the secrets got deleted. This time we are keeping the history and uninstalling the deployment. Hit enter. See release MariaDB is uninstalled. If you will execute the helm list command, there is no available deployment available for the helm. If you will execute the kubectl get secrets in a namespace database, we are getting all the release available 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, if we will execute helm history command for the deployment MariaDB in a namespace database, we are getting the revision history as well, because the secrets are available so that the history is available. If you will delete any of these secret explicitly, the revision history will also be deleted, because Helm is reading all this data from these secrets. Now we have uninstalled the release. Now let's suppose you want to reinstall it, and you want to reinstall it with some specific revision, right? So you can simply execute the helm rollback, and you can define any revision. Let's suppose we want to install it with the revision number 3. Hit enter. See, rollback was success, happy helming. Execute the helm list. We are getting the deployment revision number 5. Execute the history. See, we are getting the revision number 5 which is deployed, and this is rollback to 3. This time we must have the password test 5431. Let's get the value helm of the revision number 5. Yes, we have the test 54321, and the MariaDB revision is again 3.11.3.5, which was the version of revision 3. So using this way, you can roll back your application even the application is uninstalled. So now you can assume, so now you can realize that how powerful the Helm is and how important this is to keep the history of your deployments. Because if you have the history of your deployment, Helm can roll back your application from any state, right? It doesn't matter that is being destroyed, deleted, halted. Helm can restore your application from any specified release if the release history is available with the Helm. So that is the power of Helm, and that is the power of keeping the deployment history specifically for the production services. Thank you, team. See you next time.